Hi, and welcome to Deering Bay Yacht and Country Club. I'm one of your bartenders, Frank. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bourbon old fashioned. For this, you're going to need some bourbon, simple syrup, aromatic bitters, an orange peel, some black filthy cherry juice and a black filthy cherry, and some ice. So you're going to take your glass and fill it all the way to the top with ice. You can add anywhere between 2 to 4 ounces of bourbon depending how much bourbon you like. Here we're going to add 2 ounces today. Just throw it over your ice. Then you're going to add 2 dashes of simple syrup. If you like it a little sweeter, just add an extra one. We're going to do 1 and we're going to do 2. We're going to add 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. 1 and 2. And we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of black filthy cherry juice. Or stir it. And for your garnish, you'll have an orange peel. What I like to do is squeeze that little orange in half and put it around the rim so you can get a better taste of the orange while you're drinking your old fashioned. And I like to roll it up, grab a filthy cherry as your garnish with your orange peel. You just lay it on top and enjoy your Maker's Mark Old Fashioned